McDonald's, Winco Foods, and Popeyes. All these stores have one thing in common. What they have in common is the phrase, the customer is always right. This was a phrase created by Harry Selfridge back in the 1900s. He did so to help his business and businesses like his. Today, many people go to work, go to restaurants, go places where they find this phrase as apparent as it ever has been. This causes a lot of problems for average people that go do and try to do their thing every day. Of course, everyone wants to be happy, and everyone wants to make someone else feel happy. It's a desire that all humans have as we continue on this process. And I have worked in plenty of these jobs, working at Freddy's. I've also worked in the movie theaters where the customer was always supposed to be right. And although I said that this has caused a lot of problems, I'm still smiling. So what's the big issue? Why is it a problem, this phrase? Why is this causing problems for people? Well, what if the customer was stealing? Would they be right then? Or what if the customer fought you on your morals? Would they still be right? Now, these may seem like extreme examples, but these happen on a daily basis. Or maybe the customer wants an extra couple fries in their basket or another chicken wing. Or maybe your friend comes in being the customer and tries to find a loophole so that they can get more food or better products. Is this right or is this wrong? We don't want anyone to feel unhappy. We don't want anyone, the customer or the employee, to be in this situation. But companies love money. And so by making the customer always right, the companies thought they would generate more money by just going with unhappy employees and getting happy customers. As Thomas Jefferson said, money, not morality, is the commerce of civilized nations, because money drives everything. So, for example, if you were given $70,000 to put a tracker in someone's suitcase, would you do it? Of course you would. Now let's say you have to give this tracker to someone knowing that whoever's tracking them was going to kill them. It wouldn't be as easy now to do that, right? Because that affects your morals. So we must understand that morals are more important than money in all situations. And that's what makes everyone happy and what makes the world go round. But isn't the customer always right? Wrong. The customer is not always right. Although for many generations we have believed so and we've been taught that, the customer is not always right. Here in this video, we will see an example. So of course, we don't want to be like the soup Nazi and annoy the customer, but respect has to go both ways on the customer's part and the employee's part. That will create happy customers and satisfaction. The customer is not always right.